How to remove your card details on AliExpress. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove your card details on AliExpress. So first of all, just simply open the AliExpress official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged into your AliExpress account, all you have to do is just simply click on your profile section from the top right corner, and from there just simply go to the payment section from the list over here. And under the payment section, if you are using AliExpress quite a bit, you should have having your credit card or debit card attached to your AliExpress account as a payment method. As my account is brand new, so I don't have any card attached to my AliExpress account as of now. But if you have your card attached here, you will be able to see your attached card details right here on this particular page, and right beside it you will be able to see the option called remove card. You just simply have to tap on it and your card will be removed quite successfully from your AliExpress account. So this is basically how you will be able to remove your card details on AliExpress. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.